Hey guys, so next semi just got in. All toys, super excited. 28 pallets on there. They double stacked 2 of the pallets. For those of you who know that there was 26 pallets on a semi. But he's backing it up, see if he can make it in here. He seemed unsure of himself if he could do it. Every truck driver does it though, so we'll see what happens. And we'll get it unloaded and see what we get on it. Pretty stoked about it. Toy sale all year long. But we'll be back. Hey guys, so the semi that we just unloaded with all the toys on it is stuck. Go figure. So as one of his wheels is spinning, can't get it free. So we're gonna get the ram out and see if we can help free him. We'll find out if it helps. So we'll be right back, hook up, see what we can do for this guy. All right guys, here we go. We're gonna try to pull this semi out with the Ram 2500 6.7 liter. Let's see what we can do. Chris, you're gonna go ahead and record it for us. Go ahead, Chris.
I can't even believe we're doing this. This is what today looks like when we're about to start the new year. We're supposed to be celebrating because we're getting toys, and instead we're trying to pull a semi out. As you see, not working. Yeah. You got it. There we go. And then I'm eating my words. Nice. Got it out. It's a good day. Go forward.
That's what Ram power looks like right there. Go buy a Ram. Just put out a 53-foot long semi.
Get this shit unhooked.
Oh, is it recording?
Yeah, it was.
There goes the semi. It's free. Gets to enjoy his New Year's. Good for him. Well, he's got it. All right, guys, we'll be back. We'll get inside, get some of the shipment broken down, and see what goodies we find.